Welcome to Whispers. So, Seyi Makinde, ajá tó bá máa sọnù kò ní gbọ́ fèrè ọlọ́dẹ. So, on Seyi Makinde's Twitter page, it has this information out there, and it said that this afternoon we held a joint security meeting with His Excellency Real A.A. Rahman, Governor of Kwara State, heads of security agencies and traditional rulers of both Oyo and Kwara State. We commended the security agencies for their efforts so far and encouraged them to do more. We agreed to set up a working team in the next few days for both Oyo and Kwara State to address security issues, including the displacement of some residents of Igogon to Kwara State. Like seriously, Makinde, who are the residents of Igogon that are in Kwara State? Isn't it not Seriki Fulani? Makinde, displacement, Seriki Fulani and his student, displacement upon all the havoc that they wreaked in Igogon. Okay. We resolved that the traditional rulers in both states will be involved in our intelligence gathering efforts by disclosing information to the security agencies to enable us stay on top of security situations. Like seriously, Makinde? Like serious, which on top of which security situations? You are not even doing anything. You are so lackadaisical, you are so complacent, you are so figurehead, empty cold about it. Oh, you've run out of ideas, Makinde. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? We also agreed that the National Livestock Transformation Plan, RUGA, which is already being implemented in Kwara State, will be implemented in Oyo State, leading to further collaborations between both states on economy and security. That's stupid, that's dumb. So now you are paraphrasing, you are rebranding RUGA, the National Livestock Transformation Plan. No, this is bull, Makinde. Oh, she's cool nonsense, don't she? Makinde, ó ṣe wá gọ̀fẹ́nu ọ̀rá báyìí náà somebody yes sir àwọn tó ń pa wá lọ́yọ̀ state àwọn àtọ̀húnrìn wá àjòjì tó ń pa àwọn aráàlú tó ń fara ni wọ́n tí wọ́n wá lé lọ tó wá lọ gbà really Makinde okay ọmọ àlè tí fowó sí júwe ní bàbá rẹ̀. ọmọ àlè tí ń togún tí ń tohun ní ẹ ó tún ti lọ kó wọn wá àbí ó tún ti lọ kó wọn wá náà so tó bá tún wá dé wá tún wá máa ṣòro sí i ọ̀rọ̀ wọn tún wá lé tó pa wá kíní kan. Makinde jọ̀ọ́ kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ tó ti gbé sí gbogbo àwọn àgbẹ̀roko bọ́dún dé gbogbo àwọn ẹbí tí wọ́n ti fara ní tí wọ́n ti dá lóró tí wọ́n ti pa tí wọ́n ti gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu wọn tí wọ́n ti sọdẹ́dún arìnlẹ̀ mi ò rí ẹ kó make any moves now lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ tó ti lọ sí gọ́gọ́ tó ti lọ ṣe paparazzi photo ops mi ò rí ẹ kó padà lọ ọbẹ̀ náà mi ò tiẹ̀ gbọ́ kó sọ nǹkan kan nípa ṣùgbọ́n o lè lọ sí odidi àníyàn Kwara àwọn displaced people of Igogo. What about the displaced indigenous people, the son of the soil of Igogo, tí táwọn Fúlàní táwọn Sẹ́ríkì Fúlàní tí wọ́n displace wọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ní láti kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn míì ìbẹ̀rù bojo ò rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí wọn. What do you mean by displaced Igogo residents? Displaced Igogo residents when the real victims are there, Makinde. Tó ṣe nǹkan kan sí Makinde wá lọ sáníyàn Kwara òun lọ kọ́ àwọn displaced mo ti mọ̀ nígbà táwọn governors ilẹ̀ Haúsá tí wọ́n ti wá 13 ṣe closed doors mo ti mọ̀ pé wọ́n bá kọ́ bọ́ mo mọ̀ pé ṣé bóun náà ní Mákindé really so ó wá gbọ́mọ ó ti dẹ́ṣin báyìí sí ẹṣin ló máa fọmọ tiẹ̀ lẹ́ta máa gbọ́mọ lọ́mọjó ẹlẹ́bi ẹ ti ń gbẹ̀bí fún aláre ẹ wá ń gbáre fẹ́lẹ́bi ẹni wọ́n Sẹ́ríkì Fúlàní tó yẹ ká ẹ tì mọ́lé kó da gbogbo tọwọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ ẹ wá ń kẹ́ ẹ ń gẹ́ Mákindé ok múra sí ẹnìkan ti sọ fún what is the content of the NLTP? Is it not about RUGA and Fulani's cows? I'd suggest you retrace your steps and think of developing fish, popularly referred to as okweko in this part of the world. We even have nutritious meat in catfish. The last paragraph is totally unacceptable. Makinde, ó dàbí ẹni pé ó ti mọ ó mọ tí èrè nínú lórí Twitter page. All other things are written in small letters, but the last part of we also agree that the National Livestock Transformation Plan, which is already being implemented in Kwara State, will be implemented in Oyo State, leading to further collaborations. Or what make it bold? That is you laying emphasis on it, Abi Makinde. That is you being emphatical about it, Abi. Morasi. Oh my taste, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Dear Governor, you seem to begin to like the music by moving your feet. Please know that it will not work here. Go and tell the Bẹ́ẹ̀ni Mákindé kò lè work. I hope the National Livestock Transformation Plan is not the same RUGA. If yes, please tread with caution. No. Nothing wrong in livestock transformation plan except the word national. We are a state under the FRN. We can rear cows, but let it be state-based controlled and managed by the indigenes of the state. Encourage our people to go into it. Never allow the North to dictate. What in Lulu for Fulani now? He will place the papa the state to do. Unko ti won for fun Makinde ni Makinde ti for sit ayen. Oni won ti for sit ayen. Oni won ti for sit ayen. So on ranching for herders that are from Niger, please do not sell land, but rather provide government-owned land and tax them. Allowing non-Yoruba herders such as imported Fulani to own land is inviting terrorism in our backyard. They need to be controlled and monitored. Please kindly retrace your steps in implementing NLTP. Our national development shouldn't be cow-based. What is in this cow that has taken over national discourse? The late Awolowo had ranches in Southwest without the input of Fulanis. Please do the needful. Eba mi sọ fún o, since 2015, it's only cow that we have been discussing. Chai, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, na so we see am o. Na so we see am o. So, when he now said that people were reacting, he now came out again. Makinde. So Makinde now came up with what did he say? What was it that he said? He said something. Now saying, okay, was saying that it's not gonna implement everything. It's just gonna implement some. is just going to implement some. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? It's not going to take everything, but that doesn't stop. More trust in one. More trust in one. National livestock transformation is RUGA. Let us be careful and be guided as leaders in Southwest. Eshejere. Hope the National Livestock Transformation Plan isn't another acronym for RUGA. It is. Considering the pain and agony the sponsors of RUGA have inflicted on our people, all Omodudua won't hesitate to distance themselves even from Baba Awolowo if he wakes up and tell them to accept it. Can you imagine? Makinde, you're gonna get burned. So Makinde now went on his Twitter again, and he was not saying that was like the following day that my attention has been drawn to this tweet regarding the implementation of the National Livestock Transformation Plan during the joint security meeting yesterday. For the avoidance of doubt, when I said we would implement the plan, I didn't mean a whole implementation. Now, this Makide's reply is in small print, but when he said he is going to implement it, it was bold. Now, I'm not buying this Makinde. Could it work? They are using their massive lands to plant in the north, and they will be buying little ones you have for ranching. At the end of the day, they will take over your land with force. Is that not madness? At the end of the day, we pay for cow and the crops. Can you imagine? And Connie, I'm one of your lovers and supporters, and I appreciate all your good works. However, I totally disagree with you on this. This is not why we elected you to office. Thank Eba Misofo. If you proceed with this plan, people of Oyo may not vote you the second time. Tread careful. Come and tread carefully. You will go and call Seriki Gogo, Emir of Shasha, Tisabo, at all other places. Wawa Dibofu with their malus and their alumandiris. Wawa Dibofu. I believe you will agree with me that there is no administration without its shortcomings, but I want to advise your good office to see beyond your nose. It's not seeing, no, it's blinded. Forecast the negative effects of ranching in Oyo State because of incoming generations. Abio, Makinde is the smart man. No, Dodoyo. Dandogo Dagnidoro Bodode. It is that simple. It is that simple. Does not require it is that simple. It does not require scientists to do any research studies. This is a private business. Invest in your business and get the rewards that come from it. Eba Misofun. He is more of a coward than a smart man. Why would you entertain sending Yoruba land to Fulani? After all you've seen, we want to be near the coast in preparation for the impending split of Nigeria, and he wants to provide them with our land. Wake up, people. This is no joke. Abio, you had better be careful with this issue. Do not sell any Yoruba land for ranch. Any land for ranch should be on list and only for Yoruba cattle owners. Yes, so the issue you are queuing to see a Fulani emir is a serious shame. It is. I don't think Southwest should take any initiative from Kwara State because they are northerners stooges. Don't fall your hand. It won't go hand well. Please, Abio, we hope this is not another RUGA through the back door. Southwest governors should be careful about what they implement. Makinde, nobody can love you more than your people. Fulani will try hard to get what they want, but apply wisdom with them. Even APC Yoruba are rejecting their actions, but you that we look up to are playing on our integrity. Next election in Oyo, people will not vote. People will vote, not Fulani. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, ẹ bá mi sọ fún. Ẹ bá mi sọ fún. Yes, so, Mr. Governor, people honestly are not happy with this meeting because it looks like you are selling Oyo indigenous to this Fulani caliphate. Yes, so, they threatened us on our lands and they were sent out, and you never seem to stop backing the agenda over the people you govern. Abio, ẹ bá mi sọ fún. Vice President ambition, I guess they promised Seyi Makinde. It's a pity. Not even inviting Alaafin of Oyo or Olubadan to a meeting is pregnant with meanings. Yes, ke. Yes, ke. Kò sí Olúbàdàn bẹ́ẹ̀, kò sí Aláàfin bẹ́ẹ̀, kò sáwọn owó tí ẹ jẹ́ pé àwọn náà ìkó gbé kò wu jàǹgó ni alájẹfẹ́nu náà làwọn náà, kò sẹ́ni kankan bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n wá mú ẹ sáàrin Mákindé. It was a meeting with Kwara traditional rulers. Hey, can you imagine? Kwara traditional rulers, know your state. There you have it, guys. Oh my word. Makinde, Umate. Ó tiẹ̀ ti tẹ́ ni. Kó yá jẹ́ photo paparazzi ni o. Most of the things that Tamashe is just for the show. Kó yá jẹ́ for the show ni o. Makinde think of implementing it because ó máa backfire fún ẹ. Gbàbí mo ṣe sọ fún ẹ yẹn gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó lọ fìrùfọ́ náà. Kó yá jẹ́ for the show ni o, gbogbo photo hub, gbogbo kíní tó sọ ẹ. Kò yá jẹ́ for the show ni o. Kò tiẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ wá to actualization ni. That is just it. Kó má jẹ́ pé ìwọ náà máa fi palẹ̀ gbogbo kíní ìmọ̀. Kó má jẹ́ ìwọ náà máa fi pamọ́ Makinde, kó lọ ṣọ́rẹ́. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń gbọ́ ẹ̀ gàràgàrà o. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ lọ́wọ́ tó lè fi jólẹ̀ o. Tọ́gbà tí ẹ pé ọ̀rọ̀ onífura dáradára. Ṣé bó dẹ̀ máa pa fún ẹ mọ́? Ìwọ ò pamọ́ o. Pẹ́pẹ́yẹ máa ń kọ́ ọmọ tiẹ̀ síwájú ni ó máa ń ṣèṣe. Òun ṣèṣe ẹ̀dìyẹ. Ó kọ́ ọmọ sẹ́yìn. Ó mú tí o sílẹ̀ yanya. Yóò mọ̀ pé kínní ó máa gbé ilẹ̀ o. Ó máa gbéjọba ilẹ̀, ìwọ náà máa wá òkè tó wà yẹn tó rò pé òní sọ̀kalẹ̀. Ó sì máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ ilẹ̀ eléyìí náà. Ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù ló máa padà sí o. Àárín wa náà ló máa padà sí o. Àbí? Makinde, mò ń kìlọ̀ fún ẹ lọ ṣọ́ ara ẹ seriously. Dúdú ẹ, ó ti ń láta o. Dúdú ẹ ti ń láta tó máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tí ó lè jẹ́ kọ́kọ́tọ́. Irọ́ ló dẹ̀ ń pa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pọ́. Ìlú ẹ tó ń dúpẹ́ lápá tẹ́ ẹ tó ń dúpẹ́ lápá lọ ó ti ṣetán tó máa fàyà. Ó ti ṣetán tó fẹ́ fàyà báyìí. Kò sí jàǹbẹ́ lọ ṣọ́ ara ẹni nǹkan tí mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ rú. MP kìnnìkan mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́. I mean, ṣé nǹkan tó kàn sí ni? Ṣé nǹkan tó kàn nìyẹn? Ṣé nǹkan tó kàn ní? Ò tiẹ̀ nítara ọmọ nìyàn. Òun ní tara kíákíá o ti lọ káwọn kìíní kan tó really Makinde ojú gbà mí tì fún ẹ nonsense. So there you have it, guys. That is Makinde for you o. What is Makinde? Makinde is begging them o. Makinde has been Fulani, mi ò tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí n máa sọ. Makinde is begging them. Somebody that is mi ò rírú ẹ̀ rí o Makinde. Mi ò rírú ẹ̀ rí. Ọlọ́run. So there you have it, guys. Until I come your way again. Bye.